Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra appears in real-life look, in new color with the latest updates. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra reveals real look of the device in titanium gold color. Confirmed that the screen is not curved. Samsung would have made several last-minute improvements to its next generation of mobile smartphones, including the processor. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup is about to be launched on Wednesday, January 17th, and previously there has been almost no information leaked. But recently, there are still leaked images of the actual device of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model for you to see again. These leaked images shows the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a gold-colored device that comes in muted gold titanium tone. It comes in a more square shape, and the display screen will no longer have curved edges. As for the rear camera, there are 4 cameras with the same laser AF sensor. As published by Sam Mobile, both the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will bring performance improvements which will match them quite a bit, to the point that for the average user, it probably won't make any difference. Previously, information about the Galaxy S24 lineup has been revealed until almost every detail is complete. All models use a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a maximum brightness of 2600 nits. The only difference is in screen size and resolution. All models support 8K video recording and are IP68 waterproof and dustproof. The new Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will have very similar specs. The only difference is the screen size and battery. It has a 50 megapixel main camera on the back and uses an aluminum frame. The device is available in 4 colors as well: Onyx Black, Cobalt Violet, Marble Grey, and Umber Yellow. As for the chipset, only the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus uses the Exynos 2400 chipset. Samsung confirmed it will announce the Galaxy S24 lineup at Unpacked event in San Jose, California on January 17th, and it will go on sale at the end of month. If the basic models become cheaper, then the top model Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the contrary, will increase the price, although not by much. The new flagships are redefined to smartphone user experience through revolutionary AI features, or at least that's what Samsung aims for. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.